If your potatoes look sad and pale, you're doing it wrong. Let's fix that. We're going to transform those lackluster spuds into something truly mouth-watering. This recipe will guide you step by step to achieve perfectly crispy skillet potatoes that will impress everyone. First up, grab those potatoes and cut them into nice, even cubes. Make sure they're all about the same size so they cook evenly. Consistency is key here. It ensures that every piece cooks at the same rate, giving you that perfect texture, right? Take your time with this step. Precision pays off in the end. No potato left behind now. Let it gather all those cubes and get ready for the next step. This is where the magic begins. Every single piece will contribute to the final dish, so make sure you have them all. Heat up a skillet over medium heat and drizzle in some oil. You want enough oil to coat the bottom of the skillet. The oil is crucial for achieving that crispy exterior we all crave. Let the oil heat up properly. This is a critical step for the perfect texture. When the oil starts to shimmer like a mini mirage, it's go time. This is the perfect moment to add your potatoes. The shimmering oil indicates it's hot enough to start cooking. This visual cue is important. It ensures the oil is at the right temperature. Toss in the diced potatoes. Be careful, the oil might splatter a bit. A little sizzle is a good sign that you're on the right track. The sound of the sizzle means the potatoes are starting to cook properly. Stir occasionally, give them a little attention until they turn golden brown and tender. This should take about 15-20 minutes. Patience is key. Let them develop that beautiful golden crust. Stirring ensures even cooking and prevents sticking. While those potatoes are working their magic, chop up some onions and a chili. The onions will add sweetness and the chili will bring a bit of heat. These additions will elevate the dish to a whole new level. Take your time to chop them finely for even distribution. Once the potatoes are golden, add the onions and chili to the skillet. This will add a burst of flavor and color. The sizzling sound and the aroma will be irresistible. The combination of these ingredients creates a symphony of flavors. Keep stirring until everything is softened and smells amazing. This should take another 7 minutes. The onions should become translucent and the chili should infuse its heat into the mix. This step ensures all the flavors meld together beautifully. Sprinkle with salt to taste. You can also add a pinch of pepper if you like. Seasoning is essential. It brings out all the flavors. Adjust the seasoning to your preference for the perfect taste. Lower the heat and let the flavors mingle a bit longer. This will help everything come together beautifully. A few extra minutes on low heat can make a big difference. This step allows the ingredients to harmonize and intensify. Finally, remove the skillet from the heat and let it cool just a smidge. This will make it easier to serve. Letting it rest for a moment also allows the flavors to settle. This brief resting period enhances the overall taste. Serve immediately and watch them disappear. These potatoes are best enjoyed hot. The crispy exterior and tender interior make them absolutely irresistible. Serve them with your favorite dipping sauce for an extra treat. Enjoy your golden brown skillet potatoes, chef. You've earned it. Savor each bite and relish in the satisfaction of a job well done. Share this delicious creation with friends and family and bask in the compliments.